What's up, class? This is Zach Sawyer here doing week 2 video discussion. This week we're focusing on TV shows and which ones we like to watch and which ones we're pretty much super fans. And as many of you know, I'm not really into many TV shows. When I'm watching TV, I'm more into movies, I would say, or if I watch TV at all, I watch sports. But when I was younger, before like college, I used to watch a lot of Survivor. I would say I was probably the biggest. I'd be a super fan of Survivor. Me and my mom always used to watch Survivor. I don't know if you guys ever seen it. Um, I was so attached to that because one, it keeps you on your seat. It's interesting. The different objectives they do. You usually have one team and then another team, and then by the end of the show, everyone's fighting for themselves. It's ultimately, I think it's to win $1 million or something like that. There's a big prize at the end. But um, actually, one of my friends from my hometown, his cousin went on the show, Survivor, and went really far in one season about 6 years ago. So that's why I've been attached to Survivor. I seem to always watch that. Some of the other shows I would say I watched this year and last year that I would just be fans of would be the show Power. Um, I got into that because my basketball team, everyone on the basketball team said I needed to watch it. It was a really good series, so I ended up watching that, a couple seasons of that. That was probably my favorite. And then, if I'm just watching TV casually, sitting here, Sports Center will always be on ESPN. Whatever is on that channel, I always like to get caught up what's going on in the NFL, the NBA, all the different sports. So usually ESPN will have all the breaking news, so I usually just let that ride. Or like if I'm not letting that, if I don't have the television on, I'm usually always on my Xbox. So